Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and to hit that bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today's video is going to be real short and sweet. I'm going to show you how I like to prep my skin for makeup. My process is very easy, very simple. It probably has about 5, maybe 6 steps, and then we're going to be done. So first things first, we're going to cleanse, and I prefer to not have anything super stripping or super harsh. So especially before I do my makeup, I like to use a cleansing balm or a cleansing jelly of some kind. This is the Wishful Clean Genie. So it's a cleansing butter, and it's my preferred way of doing cleansing for my makeup. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on, a little bit of this on, and start putting that on my face. Okay, and rubbing it in. Now, just because we're putting on makeup does not mean we're not going to adhere to the 60-second rule. So I'm going to rub this into my face for 60 seconds. And I prefer using a cleansing balm or a cleansing butter as opposed to a regular wash, because for me, my skin is oily, right? And so I need to get the oils and stuff off. But if my skin is too stripped, it'll go into like we need oil overload. It will produce a lot of excess oil. So I find that using this butter kind of gets my face clean, gets everything off of it, but still keeps my oils and stuff in check so that they don't feel the need to override my entire makeup process. So now that I've rubbed this into my face for 60 seconds, I'm going to go remove it in my bathroom. And typically I just soak a towel in some warm water, wring it out, put it on my face, and wipe it away. And that's all I do.
A few moments later.
So now that I've washed that off of my face, I am going to use a toner. And the toner I'm going to use today is going to be the Fenty Skin Fat Water. And I like this as just, you know, a toner, a serum, and I like that I don't need a cotton pad for it. I don't nearly use as much of this when I'm going to put makeup on as I do like at night, because I want this to soak into my skin very quickly. We don't need as much product because this is more for just kind of hydrating my skin and making sure that it feels nice and loved on before I put it through the hell of beating my face, because whether you like it or not, beating your face is hard on your skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my eye cream, and I'm going to use the Dr. Bryant eye cream for wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. And I just feel like these are all things I'm trying to minimize when wearing my makeup. I'm not trying to let you see the fact that I've been up for 72 hours. So I just take a small amount of this and rub it under my eyes. I don't use serums and things like that before putting makeup on, because, you know, I feel like serums and stuff are meant to repair and work for your face, right? And if I'm putting makeup on, I'm not letting the serum kind of do its job, so there's no point in putting it on. Versus my creams and stuff are meant to hydrate or depuff or something like that, and I very much need that on my skin. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Poreless Skin Cream by the company Kors. I think it's Kors. It's K-O-R-R-E-S. I like this because I feel like it kind of works as a primer for the skin, especially because it does help minimize the appearance of my pores. So I typically just rub this moisturizer in right in here. And then I'll put a dab of it on my forehead just so we can say we did it, because we cannot forget the forehead. So my last step is going to be sunscreen, and I like the Black Girl sunscreen with SPF 30. That's my go-to sunscreen. I'm going out just before sunset, so while I don't believe I'll need a lot of sunscreen, you know, just put the sunscreen on, sis. It can't hurt you. It can't hurt you. It can only help you. So now that you have rubbed in your sunscreen, you're ready to go. I like to keep this process very simple, very easy, because too much product under your makeup can actually grossly affect the way that your makeup is going to lay on your skin. And because I am oily, I want to kind of stay in the realm of just products that are going to maintain and help my oils. So that'll be the end of this video. A nice, easy, simple routine that you can do before you put your makeup on. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Be sure to comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye guys. Ooh, she's glowy. I should just go on the date like this.